When medical technology brings convenience to us, it can also create new challenges for healthcare workers. Haier Biomedical On-Grid Refrigerator is developed to store vaccines in electricity regions. Maintaining it requires attention to the following. Check and record temperature every morning and evening. If the refrigerator temperature is more than 8 degrees Celsius or less than 2 degrees Celsius, please contact the service provider. Note the vaccine's expiry date and VVM color. Keep the lid clean. If there is a gap between the seal and cabinet, it needs to be adjusted at the hinges to prevent the leakage of cold air. Keep the latch or lock of all refrigerators in lock position. Open the door or lid only when necessary. Wipe off all water droplets on all inside surfaces. Remove any water at the bottom of the refrigerator when using the drainage hole. Clean refrigerator with lukewarm water and neutral detergent. Check for operation, for example, indicator lights, fans operating, cooling at required temperature. Check condenser at the back of the refrigerator. Check all wiring connections are okay. Observe the temperature from time to time, and if you find that the temperature may exceed the Haier limit before the unit is repaired, transfer the vaccines to other working refrigerators or cold boxes. Don't climb, stand, or sit on refrigerator. Be careful not to trap fingers. Do not keep hot substances near appliance. In case there is alarm on refrigerator, please check the following. 1. Check the door is closed properly. 2. Check power supply. 3. If stabilizer works normally. 4. Have vaccines been loaded in refrigerator recently? If all is okay, please call the Haier helpline and move vaccines immediately to another refrigerator. Take good care of your refrigerator, just as it takes good care of the vaccines. Haier Biomedical, intelligent protection of life science.